Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to your own channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज हम 16 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन। Who has been awarded the Commonwealth Points of Light Award recently? This award has been won by Syed Usman Azhar Makhsusi, and he won this award for feeding thousands of people every day as part of his drive Hunger Has No Religion, and due to this he has been awarded with UK's topmost award. Which species will be insured by the National Insurance Company Limited recently? This species is Himalayan yak. Recently, which country's all-rounder Mahmudullah has announced his retirement from Test cricket? This country is Bangladesh, and Mahmudullah has scored an unbeaten 150 against Zimbabwe, and it is his best score of his career. Which Indian has recently won the gold award in the Silambam competition in Singapore? This Indian is Ganesh Sandhirakshan, and he is from Tamil Nadu, and he got this award for garnering maximum number of likes and views on his video showcasing traditional Indian martial art and form Silambam. Recently, who has been appointed as the Indian ambassador to Poland? Ms. Nagma Mohammad Malik, presently additional secretary, has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Republic of Poland. Who has become the Prime Minister of Nepal recently? This is Mr. Sheikh Bahadur Deuba. Where has the world's deepest bridge, deep dive pool, been opened for tourists recently? This is in Dubai, and its depth is 60 meters and it is filled with 14 million liters of fresh water. Recently, the government of which state has started the Chief Minister COVID-19 Widow Assistance Scheme? This state is Assam. Recently, India has signed an agreement on rail services for import-export with which country? This country is Nepal, and both the countries have signed letter of exchange to revise 2004's India-Nepal Rail Agreement. Khelo India Youth Games 2022 will be organized in, these games will be organized in Haryana, and it is the 4th edition of these games. Where will the National Dolphin Research Center be established? This center will be established in Patna, that is located in Bihar. Recently, who has won the ICC Player of the Month June award? England's spinner Sophie Ecclestone has won this award in female category, and New Zealand's Devon Conway bagged the honor in men's category. Where has the Jagannath Yatra Festival 2021 been organized? It has been organized in Puri on 12th July. Which university signed MOU with ICCR to have a Bangabandhu chair named after the founding father of Bangladesh to mark the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh Liberation War? It has been signed by Delhi University. Which state government to create new department for indigenous faith and cultures? This government is Assam's government. IIT Madras Pravartak Technologies Foundation and Sony India Software Centers Private Limited have joined hands to organize a national level hackathon named Samvedan 2021 Sensing Solutions for Bharat. A new book titled The Art of Conjuring Alternative Realities, How Information Warfare Shapes Your World is authored by whom? It is authored by Shyam Shankar Singh and Anand Venkat Narayanan. Who has unveiled a statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Georgia? This statue has been unveiled by Shri Jay Shankar. He is Minister of External Affairs. Indian Navy received the 10th Anti-Submarine Warfare Aircraft P-81 from which US-based aerospace company? This company is Boeing. World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on 15th July. Which country inks USD 1.3 billion deal with India to develop a 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydropower project? This country is Nepal. Which former Indian cricketer who was a member of team that won 1983 Cricket World Cup has passed away? This former cricketer is Yashpal Sharma and he was from Punjab. Which country to host 2026 World Badminton Championships? This country is India. Who became the first Indian to be selected as judge of gymnastics of Olympic Games? This Indian is Deepak Khabra and he will be judging artistic gymnastics event at 2020 Olympics. It will be for the first time that any Indian will be judging a gymnastic event at any Olympic Games. Who has been appointed as the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha? This is Mr. Piyush Goyal. Who has inaugurated a research-based center of excellence at National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat? This has been inaugurated by our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah. ISRO planned to launch geoimaging satellite GISAT-1 on board GSLV F-10 rocket on. It is planning to launch it on August 12 from Sriharikota. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched Bheem UPI QR based payments in which country? It has been launched in Bhutan. Which country has recently fined Google 500 million euros? This country is France. फ्रांस कंपटीशन रेगुलेटर ने गूगल पर न्यूज़ पब्लिशर्स के समाचार का उपयोग करने के कारण ये जुर्माना लगाया है एंड फ्रांस की एंटी ट्रस्ट वॉचडॉग ने गूगल को अस्थायी तौर पर उन आदेशों को न मानने का दोषी करार दिया है जिसके तहत न्यूज़ पब्लिशर्स को उनके कंटेंट का प्रयोग करने के बदले गूगल को ये मुआवजा देना है. Which state has announced the launch of Matru Kavacham campaign? This campaign has been announced by Kerala and it is a campaign to provide COVID-19 vaccine to all pregnant women in the state. Who has been awarded with Bahrain Kerala Samajam BKS Literary Award for 2021? This is Om Cherry NN Pillai who has been awarded with this award. Who has written the book The Struggle Within, a memoir of the emergency? This book has been written by Ashok Chakravarti. Which state has recently announced an amount of ₹6 crore to the Olympic gold medalist? This state is Uttar Pradesh. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा और आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल भी रहेगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं, पसंद आते हैं, तो कीप ऑन लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग एंड सब्सक्राइबिंग माय चैनल. थैंक यू.